I'm a bit excited today because I'm putting my new tumbleweed compost tumbler into action for the first time. And I want to show you how I'm going to go about adding materials to it. The first layer is going to be a high carbon, low nutrient material. In this case, some old straw. That goes in the bottom and that'll soak up any moisture that flows down through the compost. On top of that straw, I want a high nutrient material, in this case, cow manure. So that's going to help break down the straw. Just distribute that around a bit. And then another layer of low nutrient materials. In this case, some shredded bark and some fallen autumn leaves. Next, we need another layer of high nutrient material. In this case, I've got some vegetable scraps and also some garden prunings. So these just get sprinkled on the top. And then I'll just chop these up a bit. And then a final layer of high carbon, low nutrient material to cover over those kitchen scraps. Then the lid goes back on, and about once a week, give it a good spin. Happy composting.